we're back. We are back from out of town. So that means back to this G35 project. I almost forgot that I was recording some stuff. So right now I'm gonna try my hand at seeing if I can clean this window motor to get it to work. Cause look, I gotta hold the switch up and then try to get it up. Oh man, that's gonna be super annoying to yeah, let me see if I can put this on a stand so then I can talk to y'all and try to get this resolved. Oof, freaking cameras are heavy. Basically, hold the window switch up, tap it, and it'll slowly come up. Slow until I can reach the bolts. You hear it? The window motor is like making a gargling noise. It is not happy right now. So everything I want to do, I want to try to get for free or very cheap on this project, you know, and we could probably calculate on how cheap we can make this project come out. Maybe. I need a lot of little stuff, and all that lot of little stuff adds up super quickly. Like even if you pull on it, it barely wants to come up. So if you look in there, you pull those two bolts and you can go ahead and get the window out, and then you can't take the window regulator out without doing that first. So anyways, let me pull that and then I'll recap y'all. That's it. Took out all those bolts, only the black ones, no reason to take out the gold ones. And holy cow, it's kind of dirty in there. I don't know what the heck happened in there. What are those? Muscle Festival Trivial. Okay, weird. And tickets on sale now. Okay, weird things. I don't, oh, that looks like window tint of some sort. And yeah, so anyways, go ahead and take apart this window motor over here on my workbench. All right, so you see how these are dirty and you need a good contact there. And these guys right here, ooh, I can tell this spring, there's a little spring in there that pushes right here for contact and lets you rotate. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all that. When taking the motor, make sure to have the right size Phillips for that, because you will strip that and you'll have a bad time. I took this off from here, the window motor, but you should be self-explanatory when you get there. So does this always work? No, but you know, it might work, and might work saves $100 or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all that up and, you know, slap it back together, see what she does, and hopefully good luck. I don't know. Anyways, yep, that's all I have. I just started the car because the battery was low. I was honestly surprised that it even started. First test run with the motor, so we can all be depressed together or be surprised, because not that I'm surprised in the skill set that I used, but the part looked very worn. So, well, oh my god, we're all excited. Hell yeah. And sometimes replacing a part is okay, but other times, you know, I don't know how long it'll last, but man, you guys seen it earlier, like it was barely working. So super pumped on that. And you know, you save whatever, $100 plus labor. It was all worth it. And sometimes you don't know until you try. All right, here we go. So today's project is to take care of the blower motor with side guest Randall Waters, apparently.
Hi everyone.
Here's his phone number just in case you want to call him and ask him questions. Oh, so I started taking this out because it's making noise. Do you think anyone's did a vlog while talking on the phone? How rude am I?
I don't know. should we take bets on what's inside the blower motor?
Sure. All right, hurry up. What's the bet?
Okay. I'm gonna say a stick and some leaves.
I'm gonna say maybe like a mouse, or because I saw a mouse in here, so maybe a mouse.
An animal.
No, like a nest or something, but I don't know. We'll find out.
Let's see.
So let's see. We got a plastic clip. We got a popsicle stick or a sucker stick. It does look like some stuff. I don't know. Definitely some leaves. You can't avoid that though.
Oh, I got leaves and a stick, dude. I win.
No, you got a sucker stick. But anyways, yep. It was making noise, so decided to take it out, clean it. Oh, there's some stuff on. Oh, it's kind of rusted. Oh, this car was from Galveston, so clean it out, put it back, and then continue the shit. Continue putting it back together. Maybe I'll spray with brake cleaner, clean all this shit out. To explore, I saw there was a cabin filter. I bet you it's really gross. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this away, and then we're gonna forget this car even had a cabin filter. Oh, that is definitely a mouse nest in there. Oh, I spilled it! Damn it! Oh, shit. I was like, I knew it smelled really bad. Jesus. That's really gross. So gross, super gross. And I gotta, like, disinfect it. So what are we gonna use? We're gonna use brake cleaner because I'm sure that kills everything. And then I'm gonna vacuum it because that's gross. Anyways, checking in, checking out.